Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So we've been decoding Mamwich, changing to Manwich. We got our residue as evidence for the change. A lot of residue actually. And we got our extractions. Got our extractions to run through all of our categories. Found the University of New Mexico. Converted those extractions into numbers using a numerology chart. Ran those through all the categories. Ran gematria. And found that the University of New Mexico does connect to Hunts Mamwich, and that those two things connect to the other 14 for a total of 15 Mandela effects we've decoded and connected so far. And now we're on simple binary, and we will be doing alphabetic order as a test run for South America. But for now, we use this A0B1 all the way to Z and found M to be 0 and N to be 1. So you got 0, 1 here. That's all you got. And quite frankly, I wasn't expecting much on anything with 0, 1. But we are getting stuff. So now we've got it to run through we got this simple binary to run through the stock market, finance, genetics, medical, chemical. We even got atomic numbers. And now we're on artificial intelligence. And 0, 1, here's 0, 1 right here. What is artificial intelligence? IBM. So, looks like it's going to take a minute to get into. So we had our 0, 1, artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence leverages computers and machines to mimic the problem-solving and decision-making capabilities of the human mind. Mimic. Yeah, I bet. While a number of definitions of artificial intelligence have surfaced over the last few decades, John McCarthy offers the following definition in this 2004 paper. So this was back in 2004. It is the science and engineering of making intelligent machines, especially intelligent computer programs. It is related to the similar task of using computers to understand human intelligence, but AI does not have to confine itself to methods that are biologically observable. And it goes on to say that decades before this definition, the birth of artificial intelligence conversations was denoted by Alan Turing's seminal work, Computing Machinery and Intelligence. So this paper was often referred to as the father of computer science. Asked the following questions: can machines think? From there, he offers a test, now famously known as the Turing test, where a human interrogator would try to distinguish between a human and a computer text response. While this test has undergone much scrutiny since it's published, it remains an important part of the history of artificial intelligence, as well as an ongoing concept within philosophy, as it utilizes ideas around linguistics. So here it goes on to the human approach: systems that think like humans, systems that act like humans, systems that think rationally, systems that act rationally. So then it goes on to types of artificial intelligence. So you got a few things going on there, but then that gets you through going forward. And as we come back, 10, 1, 0. How about the 10 most innovative companies in artificial intelligence? Well, here's 10 companies they can calculate from. Pacama for predicting carbon capture. This deals with forests. I kind of read it logically for fighting misinformation because that's important. Fighting some misinformation, I'm sure. Others, they push the misinformation. And I'm not going to read all these. ARM, ARM, for pushing AI to the edge. Cerebrus Systems, for building a dedicated AI supercomputer. So, number 5, Algorithmic Justice League, for crusading against programmatic bias. Walmart, for being a smart shopper. All right. OpenAI, for mimicking human speech. That's good. Number 8 here, Trura, for opening the black box. AI models are often black boxes, making it difficult for people to understand and trust their decision-making ability in the real world. These guys are aiming to make AI truly explainable and trustworthy. By preventing errors and bias from creeping into machine learning models when they are deployed and as data changes over time. Well, if you have an intelligence, it's going to be hard not to let bias creep into it, but that's what these guys are trying to prevent. Adobe, most of us probably have Adobe programs on our computer, for bringing computing intelligence to the camera and viewfinder. And number 10, Wakio, for optimizing data storage. So there's 10 companies they can hit dealing with artificial intelligence. And that gets you through going forwards and backwards in artificial intelligence. So there's some interesting stuff there, even though we just got 0, 1, and 1, 0. So we'll try robotics next. We'll see what's there, what isn't there. And then machinery and military and laboratories and research groups. Well, we could just say research. We don't necessarily need the groups in there. I've been thinking about that. Research/research groups, I guess you could say. And then technology. And then we will convert this into the alphabetic order forwards. And we'll run this again. So that's going to wrap up artificial intelligence. So for now, guys, thanks for all your thumbs up, thumbs down when appropriate. Thanks for all your comments, leads, feedback, and subscriptions. And thanks for watching, guys. And for now, you guys have a great rest of your day.